Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the national anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next. We now invite you to stand for the Australian National Anthem.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Breaking news, we're at the scene where a weird man in a black suit hanging off a cliff with a yellow belt. No one knows why he's up here. Emergency services are trying their best to get here, but with traffic on the highway, it is chaos. Will he be saved in time? Stay tuned. Currently at the scene, Adam Somebody is there to report. Ladies and gentlemen, he has fallen down. With emergency services not here yet, the man has fallen down onto a very soft landing. Sir, do you have any idea how you're alive right now?
I am Batman.
Okay, that was Adam Somebody. Back to you, the news table.
Welcome back to News with Ness. Dun dun dun! The gym has been very busy today with bike rides, workouts, and even some basketball. The front door has been very popular with a lot of deliveries. We need the 5K limit to drop down because Mum needs to go to Costco and buy the big mayonnaise because these little ones just don't cut it.
Thank you, Barbara. Attacked in my very own household was a spider of this big, a huntsman to be exact. It was at this location where the spider tried to hurt me. It was in that corner waiting to attack me, but I threw my shoe at it. The real question is, Why are these spiders here, and what do they want from us? On to you, Jane.
Morning. In recent times, there has been nothing going in my household. Nothing but remote learning, watching TV and taking walks around the blocks. These are very boring times. Danny Andrews, the Victoria Premier, will be making an announcement at 11:30 a.m. My household is hoping that he will release us from this captivity. We are also hoping to be able to see our friends, going back to sport and going back to school and having some better learning than this online remote learning. Danny Andrews will also be making an announcement at 11:30 a.m. So please stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Hello, my name is Riley and this is my poem. I have a cat called Tinky. She is sometimes stinky. I love her from the moon and back, but when she scratches me, I give her a smack. She has lovely brown hair. She walks around the house like she doesn't care. She tells me she's hungry with a big meow. In fact, I think I should feed her now.
My name is Riley and this is the story that I wrote. Pig Wars. 10 years ago, a pig declared war, and now that day has come again. All the troops came together and grabbed their guns and went to war. They started the war in England. It was between Australia, England, and America. The master pigs fired mud cannons, and the rest fired the mini guns of mud. Every time you win in a country, you get a point and go to the next round. With the team with the most points at the end wins. First round is beginning now. Bang, 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 crash. Oof. It was very intense, but Australia won the point. Second round began in America. This time, the people were scared of the pigs and were running for their life, even though it was just mud. So it was crazy, but England won. Now it was in Australia. It was the final round. America is kicked out because they didn't win any points. The battle was so dramatic and so close, but Australia won. Game over. Put $1 in to play again.